Bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? Today we are going to talk about the French greetings and expressions, but also I'm going to brief whatever we have learned in French language. But before at least we do anything, I would like to remind you how we can be able to introduce ourselves in French. Remember, this French, it is basic, and the most things you have to know is to be able to express yourself in French, answering those basic questions. Be able at least to introduce yourself to the guest or introduce yourself to any French speaker. So, as we know, when greeting someone, the first things you have to do is greetings. Today I have chosen to say bonjour. Bonjour means hello or even good morning. It is a common greeting to use whether in the morning or even in the afternoon, but not in the night. That word bonjour, bonjour, and the answer is still the same. Bonjour, bonjour, hello, hello, good morning, good morning. So, when you introduce yourself, you have to greet, say your name, your nationality, where do you come from, where do you stay, how old are you, what is your status. In French, we normally like to know or to tell someone his status because we have what we call formal and informal. So once I know your status and your years old, I will be able to know, am I supposed to use the formal or informal? So you have also to say your profession, and then what you like and what you don't like. Then you thank the audience. So this is how we are going to introduce ourselves. This is an example of introducing yourself in French, as you can be able to introduce yourself in any other language that you are learning as a foreign language. Bonjour, bonjour, moi, je m'appelle Alexis. I am called Alexis. Je suis Kenyan. Je suis Kenyan. If it is a female, je suis Kenyan. I am a Kenyan lady. Je suis Kenyan. I am a male Kenyan. Je viens de Nakuru. Je viens de Nakuru. I come from Nakuru. J'habite à Makadara. I stay in Makadara. Je suis âgé. This is a single E, that means a male, but you can double U to mean a female who is introducing herself. Je suis âgé de 30 ans. I am 30 years old, but here you can put your years old. Je suis âgé de 30 ans. I am 30 years old. Je suis célibataire. Célibataire. Je suis célibataire. I am a single. But also you can say je suis marié. Je suis marié. I am married man. Je suis marié. With double E. I am a married woman. Je suis divorcé. Divorcé. Je suis divorcé. I am a divorced man. Or je suis divorcé with double E. I am a divorced man. Or you can also say je suis engagé. Je suis engagé. I am engaged man. Or je suis engagé with double E. I am engaged in female. Ma profession est journaliste. My profession is a journalist. But me, I can say ma profession est professeur. Ma profession est professeur de français. Français. Ma profession est professeur de français. Ma profession est professeur de français. My profession is French teacher. Or you can say, ma profession est chauffeur de taxi. My profession is taxi driver. You can also say, ma profession est infirmière. My profession is a nurse. That is in female, but in male we don't add e. We say ma profession est infirmière. But it is very hard to find a nurse who is in male. But if there is a male nurse, we call him infirmier. But in female, infirmière. You can also say, ma profession est guide touristique. My profession is tour guide. You can also say, ma profession est serveur. Ma profession est serveur. Ma profession est serveur. My profession is a waiter. But I don't think waiter is a profession. I think it is just a work. But if it is that way, ma profession est serveur, female will be serveuse. Ma profession est serveuse. My profession is waitress. So this is how to introduce ourselves in French. I would like to repeat again. Bonjour, moi je m'appelle Alexis. Je suis Kenyan. Je viens de Nakuru. J'habite à Makadara. Je suis âgé de 30 ans. Je suis célibataire. Ma profession est journaliste. Ma profession est professeur de français. Ma profession est chauffeur de taxi. Ma profession est infirmière. Ma profession est guide touristique. Ma profession est serveur. J'aime voyager et le sport. I like traveling and sport. Merci beaucoup. Thank you a lot. That is how we can be able to introduce ourselves in French. And also there are some kind of expression that we can we have to remember in French. These expressions are also useful in French. For example, à la semaine prochaine. See you next week. À l'année prochaine. See you next year. À la santé. Cheers. Bon anniversaire or joyeux anniversaire. Happy birthday. Bon séjour. Enjoy your stay or enjoy or nice stay. Bonne année. Happy New Year. Meilleurs vœux. It is still Happy New Year. Bien fait. Well done. Those expressions also are used by French speaker, but don't forget also during this semester we have learned a lot of things, and when we are covering this syllabus of French basics, you have to be able to summarize. You have to be able to make a conclusion of whatever we have learned, especially when you are enumerating the chapters, the topics, and the subtopics. For example, the first topic, it was about the importance of French in any industry, hospitality, journalism and media studies, and even in business. We have seen many importances, we have seen more reasons why you should learn French in hospitality industry. We have also seen what we call alphabet, how French is it pronounced. We have compared French alphabet and English alphabet. We have seen those similarities, we have seen what is the difference, we have seen how we can be able to read, to pronounce, and even to write French words based on or through the alphabet. The chapter number 3 also we have seen how we can be able to express ourselves, how we can greet a customer, how you can welcome a customer, how you can be able to introduce a friend, how you can be able to introduce yourself as I have done here. That was very important. Also, when you are summarizing whatever you have learned in French, you can also remember those grammar and expressions. We have seen how French nouns, adjectives agree to the gender and the number. That in English it is not exist. Normally English speaker or English grammar, we don't concentrate a lot about the gender and the number of the words. But in French you have seen that male, female, singular and plural, those matters in speaking, in writing, orthographs and anything. We have seen also what we call vocabulary and expressions, texts. How can I be able at least to handle a guest, maybe through the phone conversation, through text, comprehensions of the text, dictation, and so and so. So many times in the exam that you are preparing, remember the exam is on the door. We need to be able to summarize whatever we have learned, not only in French, but also in English. I bring each topic and you give an example of what you have learned. Otherwise, thank you very much. And I will appreciate if you continue French language to the level number 3, which is we call French Advanced French. This was a niveau élémentaire, was the basics. Now you can be able at least to express yourself, but make sure you can continue with the level 2 where we'll be able to learn more. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.